आपल्या परिसरातील ताजी अपडेट बघायची आहे ना, तर मग आजच ती 24 तास या आपल्या YouTube चॅनलला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवरती क्लिक करायला तर अजिबात विसरू नका. पावसाळ्यामध्ये विजेचा लपंडाव, मग चिंता कशाला करताय? आता अंधाराला करा बाय बाय. विजेच्या वाढत्या समस्यावरती आता एकच इलाज, घरी बसवा इन्व्हर्टर आणि बॅटरी कमी दरात. आता इन्व्हर्टर आणि बॅटरी घेणं झालं सोपं. बजाज फायनान्स देतोय 0 डाऊन पेमेंट आणि 0 व्याज दरावर बॅटरी इन्व्हर्टर. सर्व प्रकारच्या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वस्तू मिळवण्याचं एकमेव ठिकाण साईराम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स अँड बॅटरीज. खरेदी विक्री संघ, व्यापारी संकुल, नगर मनमाड रोड, राहुरी. साईराम हॉस्पिटल टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी सेंटर.
मी डॉक्टर स्वप्नील माने, स्त्रीरोग, वंध्यत्व व दुर्बीणद्वारे शस्त्रक्रिया तज्ज्ञ. आमच्याकडे दुर्बीणद्वारे शस्त्रक्रियेसाठी लागणारे सर्व अत्याधुनिक उपकरणं अवेलेबल आहेत. त्यामध्ये 3D 4D कॅमेरा, तसेच रुग्णांना 10 ते 20 ml रक्तस्राव होतो. पेशंटला खूप आरामदायी ऑपरेशन होतं. सूक्ष्म आजार बाहेर काढले जातात. 10 पटीने पेशंटच्या अवयवांचं निराकरण करता येतं आणि आजाराचं उच्चाटन केलं जातं. साईराम हॉस्पिटल, लॅप्रोस्कोपिक सेंटर आणि टेस्ट बेबी सेंटर,
कोर्ट एरिया, भाग्यश्री हॉटेलच्या पाठीमागे, राहुरी. मौर्य अकॅडमी इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूलमध्ये जागतिक योगा दिन मोठ्या उत्साहात साजरा करण्यात आला. व्यायाम, प्राणायाम, सूर्यनमस्कारानं मनुष्याचं शरीर निरोगी होतं आणि बुद्धी शांत राहते, असं प्रतिपादन योग शिक्षिका सौ डावखर मॅडम यांनी केलंय. विद्यालयामध्ये जागतिक योगा दिनानिमित्त योग शिक्षिका डावखर मॅडम यांनी विद्यार्थ्यांना आपल्या जीवनामध्ये योगा, सूर्यनमस्कार, व्यायाम याचं किती महत्त्व आहे हे पटवून दिलं आणि योगाचे अनेक प्रकार आणि त्याचे प्रात्यक्षिक विद्यार्थ्यांच्या समोर सादर केलेत. विद्यार्थ्यांनी देखील प्राणायाम, विविध आसनं, सूर्यनमस्कार यांचे प्रात्यक्षिक केलं आहे. शाळेच्या मुख्याध्यापिका सौ नैना हरदे यांनी विद्यार्थ्यांना योगा आरोग्यासाठी किती महत्त्वाचा आहे याविषयी मार्गदर्शन केलं. कार्यक्रमाचं सूत्रसंचालन शाळेची विद्यार्थिनी प्रांजल जाधव हिनं केलं आहे, तर आभार वैभवी वाळुंज हिने मानले आहेत.
Hello everyone, I am Naina Harde, the principal of Maurya Academy English Medium School. It's my great pleasure to wish you one and all very happy International Yoga Day. Today, on this occasion of International Yoga Day, a special program is organized in Maurya Academy English Medium School, Rauri, with great enthusiasm and active participation by students, teachers, and all staff members. Yoga is not just about bending our bodies or closing our eyes for few minutes. It's about the discipline, balance, peace, and harmony in our body and mind and soul. In today's fast-moving world, where stress and distractions are everywhere, yoga helps us to keep mentally strong, physically fit, and emotionally calm. Especially for students, regular yoga improves concentration, memory, and confidence. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, rightly said, yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. It embodies unity of unity of mind and body. I would like to give one important message to all my dear students practicing yoga every day. It develop your body strong and your sharp mind and peaceful heart. Yoga is just not an exercise, it is the way of life. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I extend my greetings to all the students and teachers on this occasion of International Yoga Day. Today the entire world is performing International Yoga Day. India is a birthplace of yoga, an old age discipline that promotes mental and physical well-being. To encourage children of our school frequently provides awareness of this campaign. It is not just a workout, it is a way of life. In addition to the children of maturing students frequently experience peer pressure. In our busy lives, yoga helps us find peace, manage stress and live healthier. I urge everyone to make yoga a daily habit. Let us take a produce embrace yoga in our lives and encourage others too. 21st June, our school, Maurya Academy, is also celebrating International Yoga Day. Thank you and wishing you all a very happy International Yoga Day.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the International Yoga Day. The International Day of Yoga is a day in which the recognition of yoga that is established, that is celebrated around the world on 21st June. Following the adoption by the United Nations in 2014, as a yoga exercises have known very significance in our life. It maintains our health and it maintains our physical health and mental health. As the United Nations has globally promoted the Yoga Day. The initiative of the Yoga Day was taken by the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2015 in his United Nations address, and the related resolution received broad global support with 177 nations approving it. And in the United Nations General Assembly, where it passed successfully, subsequently the first International Yoga Day was celebrated successfully on 21st June 2015 around the world. Today in our school, Moria Academy English Medium School, we are celebrating the Yoga Day and we are telling the significance of the Yoga Day to all our students, and we have successfully conducted the International Yoga Day. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning to all. Myself Jaggi Vedi from grade 6. I am here to give speech on Yoga Day. Yoga is an ancient way to attain physical, mental and spiritual practice. Primarily originating in India, the word yoga is derived from Sanskrit meaning to unite. It enhances flexibility, strength and balance while reducing stress and improving focus. Yoga is also known for disease prevention, promoting of health and management of lifestyle related disorders. The word yoga means union. People have been practicing yoga since about 5,000 years ago. It benefits our immune system and help to reduce depression. At last, I only say, do good, be good, shine bright and have fun. May your day be happy and full of love. Have a nice day. Thank you. In Bhagavad Gita, yoga is a journey of self, through the self, to the self. Good morning all. Myself Anagha Ganesh Garekar. I study in 6th standard. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the International Yoga Day, a day that is honored to the ancient practice that has been India's gift to the world. All the things that a human being can do. Why yoga? Everything that a human being can do is just essential expression that who are they. Somebody sings songs, somebody dance, somebody writes a book. Whatever you do, you may be conscious of it, you may be unconscious of it. It essential expression that who are you. Whatever you do, whatever you speak, whatever it come out of you. But yoga is diametrically opposite of it. It's not the expression that who are you. It's a determining that who you are. It's a determining that what do you want to be. So are we celebrating this day? Let's pledge that we will not keep the yoga just a part of our routine. We will keep the yoga a part of our lifestyle. Let's spread this message for peace, health and harmony that yoga teaches. Thank you. I wish you all a grateful and joyful and meaningful yoga day.
महेश दाने, C24 तास, राहुरी.
उद्या बस्ता खरेदीला जायचंय आणि तुम्ही दोघांनीही यायचंय. काहीही कारण चालणार नाही.
आपल्या भाचीचं लग्न आहे, आपण येणार नसता.
हो भेटू आपण. बघितलं सगळ्यांना किती आनंद झालाय तुझ्या लग्नाचा ऐकून.
हो ग, पण मला एक सांग, उद्या आपण बस्ता खरेदीला कुठे चाललोय हे तर तू कोणालाच नाही सांगितलंस.
सांगायची गरजच काय, पिढ्यानपिढ्यांची परंपरा आहे ही. लहानांपासून थोरांपर्यंत सगळ्यांना ठाऊक आहे, बस्ता खरेदी म्हणजे कोहिनूर.
बस्ता खरेदीचं हक्काचं ठिकाण कोहिनूर, MG रोड आणि सावेडी, अहिल्यानगर.